Alright, we're going to give y'all a little tour of the town here. This is coming off of Church Street right here on Broadway. Look how it's flooded all the way over to the tracks. American Legion's about underwater. Uh-oh. That's the ditch over by Landis's. Never seen it flow like that. Water's flowing right down the sidewalks. Good thing they poured that concrete and made it higher. Yeah, I'm thinking we might need a little better drainage through here. Turns and goes up that way. Got water running down both sides.
Oh my God!
Donut shop is probably got a little water coming in on them. Ditch is completely full. Alright, this is coming up on Troy and Kelly's house. Their fence is just about completely underwater here. It's completely across the road. I've never seen this, ever.
Is that called a palm finger floating?
Troy, you're gonna need a boat to get to your house, buddy. Unreal. Completely underwater. Wow. Crazy. This is Glenn Hanner's place. Holy cow. Glenn definitely gonna need a boat. Got some here that's going out toward Roller Coaster Hill.
Lost the freaking road away.
Out here at the chicken houses. Flowing hard across the road.
I don't even know where the road's at. That's straight.
Well, there goes nothing.
Wheels on the
Yeah.
This one's deep. Way deep.
This is out behind Matt Hammond's old house. So this looks like a river. Right up here at Darnell's house he just sold.
These cars don't have. Oh yeah, we ain't making it to that one.
Yeah, this road's washed out. Or not washed out, but it's washed over. We're over the top of the bridge here. Wow. Spillway, the water is up to the top piece of the fence. Yeah, spillway's a little rough here. Might be a little rough catfishing today. It's on the backside of Lake Winnsboro.
Flowing pretty damn good.
Yeah, it is. It's completely over. Yeah, I don't think we're going to try this. I think we'll have to back up and try this in another day. It's on the backside of Lake Winnsboro. Where Jenna Gardner grew up.
That is entirely too much.
It's out here in front of the net house. We got a little water here, Chris. Here's the iron bridge. Completely underwater here on both sides. Right here at Mr. Watson's dog kennel. This is out on 515 between Mr. Watson's kennel and the main 515 bridge at Lake Winnsboro. This ain't even the main bridge.
I think I can make it through that one.
Go for it.
Mm-mm.
You think so?
Go for it.
Hey, no.
Because it ain't up on the guardrails.
Yeah, it ain't.
You think I should try it?
Yeah, go for it.
Why don't they close the road? I better get a hole or something.
I wonder who that is.
Hey, grab a gear.
You think there's a cop up there or anything? Game warden?
I bet there's a bridge broke or something.
I think I can make it through here.
Alright, here we go.
This is how that bridge would have been. It's flowing damn good right here.
Yeah, I'd probably trust the bridge more than I would this road.
I can feel it pushing me.
Well, I think we're going to have to go back the other way.